Thanks for joining me today. It's Michelle with Pink and Maine. It's May 1st, I can't believe it, and it's time to share our new subscription products for the month. So let's jump right in and let's take a look at what we have in store for you. I'm going to start out and show them in the order that they go out during the month. And the first subscription to go out is our foil subscription. It gets automatically charged on the 5th, and that's when we ship it out. And this month, as part of the foil subscription, you get a brand new roll of foil. And this color is new for us. This is cherry red. It's a beautiful red. This is more of a blue red than our ruby red that we had released before, which is more of an orange tone red. So this is a beautiful cherry red. Love it. So you're going to get this with your foil subscription. There's 25 feet on our roll of foils, so you're going to be foiling quite a lot. You're going to get a package of our foilable panels, and these are card size. This is script sentiments. So you can just take these to your paper trimmer and cut them in little strips. And we've got lots of great sentiments on here. Congratulations, thanks, hello, happy birthday, happy anniversary, hey, thanks, thinking of you with sympathy, wishing you well, condolences, greetings, sending cheer, hello friend, and some are repeated throughout. You're going to get them both just black printed on white and then black in the background so that when you foil them, you can get different looks. Along with these script sentiments, you're going to get a package of our foilable sheets. These are 8.5 by 5.5, and you get 8 of them in the package, so you can create at least 16 cards by just cutting them in half. If you use smaller pieces, you can make more projects than that. This is the filigree foilable sheets, and these are gorgeous. There's 4 different patterns, so you get 2 of each. Let me show you what I've done here. So this is one pattern, but on each side, you get one side that's the positive and one side that's the negative. So you can get different looks when you foil them. So you're going to get 2 of those. Same with this one here. I've given you the negative and the positive. So pretty. Here's another one. These are fancy foilables. Can't you imagine the beautiful things you can create with this? Use the script sentiments, maybe put some butterflies or florals on top of these. And a 4th one. All of them have the positive and the negative image so that you can do the foiling both ways, use the negative foil and get lots of different looks. So that's our foil subscription. The foil subscription is $21.99 a month. It's automatically charged on the 5th, as I mentioned. You can skip a month if you like, and it's shipped for free within the US. So that $21.99 comes with free shipping in the US. We have to add shipping for international. Next up is our stamp and die of the month. So if you order the stamp of the month, you're going to get a 4x6 stamp set delivered to you each month. We ship them out on the 10th of the month. If you order the stamp and die, you're going to get the coordinating die as well. The stamp of the month is $12, and that's shipped for free within the US, which is a great value because when we sell this stamp set later in the month individually, it's going to be a $16 stamp set. The stamp and die of the month is also a great value. It's $24 shipped for free within the US, and you get the stamp and die the die will be $18 when it's sold individually. So it's a great value to belong to the stamp and die of the month or the stamp of the month. This month we're getting the set is called Stay Sparkly, and it's got these beautiful mermaids and some fish and a jellyfish. We've got Make Waves, Stay Sparkly, and Shallow, Stay in Touch. Really cute set, great for the upcoming summer months. Just like the foil subscription, stamp of the month, stamp and die of the month, and our monthly subscription kit, which is our Crafty Courtyard Kit. You can skip a month if you like, or you can cancel anytime. There's no required commitment. All of our subscribers get 15% off their purchase on the website. We were going to change it to 10 a couple months back. We just decided against it and we kept everyone at 15, so you will get an automatic 15% discount. Let's take a look of the Crafty Courtyard Kit this month. The Crafty Courtyard Kit is billed on the 15th of the month and it ships out on the 15th. Its base price is $34.99 and we do add a shipping charge based on where you're located. The kit weighs over a pound every month, so it's a nice heavy kit and we do have to add the shipping to it. But we have never changed the price of the kit or the shipping in all of the 5 years that we've been doing these kits. The theme for the May kit is tea time. I can't wait to show you what's inside. So adorable. You're going to get this flyer that tells you exactly what's in the kit. Look at all of these items that you get for $34.99 plus shipping. The value of these kits cannot be beat, I tell you. I always give you the color palette at the bottom so you kind of know what colors are going to be used in the kit. That doesn't mean that exclusively these colors are in here. There might be other colors as well, but these are like the main colors of the kit. And down here at the bottom, it tells you where you can join our Facebook group and share your creations with the kits, as well as see what others are creating. On the back of the flyer, I give you some card sketches and just something to jumpstart your creativity when you get the box and you open it up. Lots of fun stuff this month, just like I mentioned. So the first thing we've got in the kit here, brand new, this is some of our Pink and Main cotton twine. And this is the street light color. So it's nice yellow and white variegated twine. You get 25 yards on the roll, and you guys are the first to get some of our twine. You're going to get an exclusive sequin mix. This is not available anywhere else right now except in the kit. These are beautiful iridescent, sparkly colors. You're going to get a package of our gold glossy dots. Now this kit has hints of silver and hints of gold. I thought it went well with the tea time theme and the paper pad and everything else that's in the kit. I love the glossy dots. They give this a nice little sparkle and shine, a little finishing touch. You're also going to get a full 6x6 paper pad. This one is called Bright Botanicals. And I love this. This might be one of my favorite paper pads that we've done this year. I love the florals in here. We've got dots, more flowers. Got stripes and flowers. There's a plaid, some flowers, more stripes. All these cute little flower patterns. Look at the lemons. It goes great with the tea theme. We've got another plaid, some gingham, more colorful flowers. Got a pink stripe. It's a blue background with flowers. Oh, I love that green background with the polka dots and this green floral sheet. Got a yellow plaid, some little pink posies there. Diagonal stripes, some more florals on blue. That's really pretty. Another plaid. A little bit different lemons with little flowers in there. Another gingham and polka dot. And then I think we're back at the beginning. So you get 24 sheets. There's 24 different patterns. I love to give you lots of patterns to play around with and create with. And they're double-sided, so you get 2 of each. I have to show you the stamp set first before I get into the dies. So this is the stamp set. It has great sentiments that go along with the tea theme. Happy birthday to my favorite hottie, hot tea, see? Sending cups of positivity. You'll always be my bestie. You're a terrific friend. Love you for eternity. Steeped in gratitude. Wishing you a terrific Mother's Day, birthday. You're my cup of tea. Our friendship is like a cup of tea, a special blend of you and me. I'm brimming over with happiness for you. I can't make it better, but I can make you tea. Hope you have a brew-tea-ful day. Thank you for your honesty, hospitality, generosity. It's your birthday. Let's party. Aren't those just so sweet? I love these. So you can't have all those tea stamps without having some tea dies. You get 2 die sets this month. This is the Tea Party die set. So we've got lots of dies here. I'm going to flip it over and you can see what all the dies are. We've got a teapot, teacup, and the handle is separate, so you can put it either on the left or the right-hand side. We've got a spoon. We've got a little sweetener packet, a lemon slice. We've got some sugar cubes or ice cubes, whichever you want to use it for. A little tea bag and a little tag for your tea bag. Lots of little dies. You can create some really fun cards with these tea party dies. But that's not all. Got another set of dies, and this is the pastry tray. So you're going to get the creamer and the sugar bowl that go with the tea set. We've got a little serving piece here, and then we've got this little pastry tray that has all kinds of little goodies and pastries that you can create for it. So much fun. I can't wait to see what you create with these fun dies in this kit. Let's take a look at the cardstock. So you're going to get 5 colors of our 100-pound cardstock and 2 white. So we have Dress Shop Pink, we have Moss Green, we have Streetlight Yellow, Riverwalk Teal, and Construction Orange. And then here on the top, we're giving you a specialty sheet of cardstock again. And this is like a nice silver foiled piece of paper. Last but certainly not least, you're going to get your zippered mesh project bag. These are such great bags for storing your kit items all together, or if you like to take your crafty goodies on the go and create while you're traveling, this is a great travel bag as well. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our new subscription products for May 2024. I can't believe it's May. I don't know where the year is going. I hope you love these items as much as I do. I can't wait to see what you create with these items and share it in our Facebook groups. You can find out more and subscribe at pinkandmain.com. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.